Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. How are you all, guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very classy and very amazing sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are super amazing and very stunning handmade sewing craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. I am glad to see you all, guys. These are very pretty and these are very amazing sewing craft ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well, and these are most amazing and these are super stunning ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all, guys. Hope so viewers. And these are sewing craft ideas for you guys and you like these craft work. These are very trending and these are very stunning ideas for you guys. If you want different other sewing craft ideas, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are super stunning and very classy and very beautiful sewing craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep watching my videos, keep supporting my channel, and these are very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, guys.